Recently, I posted a video providing tips on how to code op reports. If you missed that video, I'll put a link in the description box below. As always, there is a method to the madness, and today I want to focus on the anatomy of an op report. Specifically, I would like to discuss the diagnoses that you see on op reports. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key. And on this channel, we provide you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified, marketable medical coder. In most cases, you will see two diagnoses that are listed on operative reports. These two diagnoses are the preoperative diagnosis and the postoperative diagnoses. Both of these diagnoses have specific functions and reasons for being documented on the operative report. For the purposes of medical terminology, preoperative means that it has occurred before the surgery. The preoperative diagnosis is the reason the patient is in on a particular day. It is why the patient has now presented for the planned procedure, and it is also the explanation for the patient's signs and symptoms before the operation. The post-operative diagnosis, in terms of medical terminology, is the diagnosis confirmed after the surgery. The post-operative diagnosis tells you why the procedures were performed, what the physician discovered during the operation, and where the physician performed the work. Sometimes the preoperative diagnosis and the post-operative diagnoses are the same, but not always. When the two diagnoses are different, you should always code the post-operative diagnosis. In the ICD-10-CM official coding guidelines, section 4N, it states to code the diagnosis for which the surgery was performed. If the post-op diagnosis is known to be different from the preoperative diagnosis at the time the diagnosis is confirmed, select the post-operative diagnosis for coding since it is the most definitive. So remember to always code the post-operative diagnosis. We have many more coding videos, so feel free to click the links in the description box below. Let me know in the comments how this information on the anatomy of the op report was helpful for you. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key, providing you with information, tips, and strategies on how to become a certified, marketable medical coder, reminding you to be safe, be kind, and don't wish for it, work for it. Until next time, take care.
Are you interested in medical coding, but not sure where to start? And scared of wasting time and resources? Let me help you with the right steps to become a certified, marketable medical coder. Learn more at bit.ly/5stepscoder.